I'm 23 years old and I've made around $3,000 in a single day with my business. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it so you can copy the exact same process. Here's the first thing you need to understand. I didn't start with some genius revolutionary idea. I didn't invent anything new, as a matter of fact. I didn't come up with some innovative business model nobody ever thought of. I just picked a proven business model that already worked and I executed on it. At first, I started a lead generation agency a couple years in the past. And if you don't know what that means, it's simple. I helped businesses to get more customers. That's it. Every business on the planet needs more customers. Every business owner is trying to figure out how to get more leads, more sales, more revenue. So I learned how to do that for them and I charged them for it. Now here's the key. We used outreach to get clients, not paid ads initially. We didn't spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads to find customers. We just reached out directly to businesses that needed our help through cold emails, LinkedIn messages, and personalized Loom videos. That's how we built the entire thing. And the reason I'm telling you this is because most people waste months or even years trying to come up with the perfect original idea. They want to create something nobody has ever done before. And while they're sitting there, overthinking and planning, other people are just copying what already works and making money. So stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Find a business model that's already proven to work. Find someone who's already successful with it and model what they did. That's what I did. That's what works. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The second thing I did was get completely obsessed with one skill: lead generation through outreach. I didn't try to learn 10 different things. I didn't try to be a social media manager and a web designer and a video editor and everything else. I picked one thing and I got dangerous at it. For 90 days straight, and even more than that really, I consumed everything I could about outreach. How to write cold emails that get responses, how to make Loom videos that get people on calls, how to find businesses that actually need help, how to pitch my service in a way that removes all their objections. I studied this stuff like my life depended on it. And here's what's important. We mainly focused on outreach before we ever explored paid ads. Outreach was the foundation. Outreach is what got us our first clients. Outreach is what proved the business worked at a minimal cost. We didn't touch paid ads until way later. Because here's the thing. Outreach is free or cheap. It just takes time and effort. You don't need much money to start. You don't need a big budget. You just need to be willing to send a lot of messages and handle a lot of rejection. And most people aren't willing to do that, which is exactly why it works so well for people who actually commit to it. So I got obsessed with this one skill. I practiced it every single day. I tested different approaches. I refined my messages. I learned what worked and what didn't. And by the end of those 90 days, I was good enough at it to start signing clients consistently. That's how you build a real skill. Not by watching a few videos and calling yourself an expert, by putting in actual reps over months until you're legitimately good at it. The next lesson I'd like to share with you is that I treated outreach like a full-time job in the beginning. I'd be sending hundreds of personalized messages every single week. I'm talking reaching out to thousands of businesses over the first few months. And most people quit after 20 rejections. They send 20 messages, they get ignored, or they get a few no's, and they convince themselves it doesn't work. I pushed through hundreds of rejections, thousands of rejections. I kept going when it felt like nobody gave a damn. I kept going when I wasn't getting responses. I kept going when people told me no or ghosted me. Because here's what I understood that most people don't. It's a numbers game. If you send enough messages to the right people with the right offer, some of them will say yes, it's just math. But you have to send enough volume for the math to work. So I treated outreach like my job. I woke up and I started sending messages. I worked through the day sending more messages. I made Loom videos in the evenings. I didn't stop until I hit my numbers for the day. And that's how I went from charging $97 at the lowest for my services to eventually charging $18,000 a year. Now that was through one-on-one coaching and retainers. But I did so much outreach volume initially that I was able to test different offers, different pricing points, different approaches. I was able to learn what clients actually valued and what they were willing to pay for. But I only learned that because I did the reps. I couldn't have possibly known with 10 or 20 messages. Most people never get to the point or they can charge premium prices because they never did enough outreach to figure out what actually works. The fourth thing I did that changed everything is this. I focused on getting results first and building a brand second. This is the opposite of what most people do. Most people waste months trying to build the perfect Instagram page or the perfect website or the perfect personal brand before they've ever helped a single client. They're worried about their logo and their color scheme and their content strategy when they should be worried about actually delivering value and getting proof. I did the opposite. My first few clients, I charged them almost nothing. Some of them I charged $97 and they were the worst, but I treated them like they were paying me $10,000. I tried to do my best to over-deliver like crazy. I answered their messages in the evenings. I sent them updates constantly. I went above and beyond everything they expected. And you know what happened? They got results. They started booking more calls because of what I did for them. And those results became my marketing. I took screenshots of everything. I put it in my old funnels. I documented every win. I turned those clients into case studies and testimonials. And then I used that proof to charge more for my next clients. Because when you can show someone proof that you've done exactly what you're promising to do for someone else, price becomes way less of an objection. They don't care if you charge $2,000 or $5,000 if they can see that you generate $20,000 in revenue for the last client. So forget about building a pretty brand in the beginning. You don't have to be an influencer. Forget about having a huge following. Focus on getting undeniable results for your first few clients, even if you have to do it for cheap or even free. Because those results, those case studies are what allow you to scale your prices and build an actual business. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now the fifth thing is how I actually scaled to $3,000 a day. I increased my prices drastically and I added retainers instead of just working more hours. Because here's the thing that most people don't get. You don't get to $3,000 a day by working harder. You can't work 24 hours a day. Like, it's basically impossible. There's a ceiling to how much you can make when you're trading time directly for money. That's why employees can't get rich. So I had to change the math. Instead of charging $500 for a project, I started charging $5,000 to $10,000 for annual retainers. Instead of doing one-off projects, I got clients to commit to working with me for 6 months or a year. And here's the thing. When you have real results and real proof, raising your prices isn't hard. The clients who can afford higher prices are actually easier to work with. They value your expertise more. They take your advice more seriously. They don't ghost you or waste your time. So I focused on working with fewer clients who paid me way more. 5 to 6 clients paying me between $5,000 and $15,000 a year is way better than 30 clients paying me $300 each. The math is simple, and it's way less stressful because you're not juggling a million different projects. You're delivering high-level work for a small number of premium clients who actually appreciate what you do. The sixth thing I did to get to $3,000 in a day is this. I reinvested my profits into systems and help so I could scale beyond just me doing everything. Here's what happens when you start making good money. You realize you're working 60 to 100 hours a week and you have no time for anything else. You're the bottleneck in your own business. So I started hiring contractors to handle parts of the delivery while I focused on sales and strategy. I built templates and processes so we could deliver results faster and more consistently. I automated parts of the outreach. I created systems for onboarding clients, for tracking results, for communication. And this is how you go from making $3,000 a month to that in a single day. You remove yourself from the day-to-day operations. You build leverage. You create a business that can run and generate income even when you're not personally doing all the work. And yes, this is completely scary at first. Hiring people costs money. Building systems takes your time at first. But if you want to actually scale past 6 figures and get to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures, you have to do this. You can't build a real business where you're the only person doing everything forever. Look, I'm going to be real with you. Most people watching this video aren't going to do anything with this information. You won't pick a business model. You won't start doing outreach. Or if you do, you'll send 10 messages and quit. You won't get your first client. And in a year from now, you'll still be in the exact same place wondering why your life never changed. But for those who are actually serious, for that minority of people who's willing to do whatever it takes, you can copy exactly what I did to get to $3,000 a day. I did it at 23 with no special connections, no rich parents, I come from the low middle class, and no fancy degree. I don't have a degree, just a proven business model and an unreasonable work ethic. If you want me to help you personally to start or grow your business, check out the free resources in the description below.